Mac and I'll push you back and cause I'm made for your fucking ass. Say these bitches fucking with me now. They fucking with me.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? How's it going? Today we're back with another video and I'm here with my cousin.
Hey, my name is Nina.
We're gonna be trying a lot of, well, not a lot, well, some snacks that we thought were interesting because we went to the Asian market with my mom and we just picked up a couple of things that we thought would be cool to try for you guys. So, on to the next slide, you'll see what's up. We are back. We're back. And the next thing we're gonna try is, well, the first thing we're gonna try is not the next thing. First thing, which one do you want to do?
I don't know.
We have,
It's on the back.
we can't read this.
Chip.
I don't know,
Maybe
guys.
it's like a seafood chip.
Yeah, because it got
don't know.
seafood. Maybe tom yum, maybe?
Then
I
we
don't
have
know.
this. What is it? What is candy? We don't know what it is.
We have this one. Oh, these are by the same company. These two. They're Crown.
Oh,
This one. So I guess this is like the chewy kind or something, and this is the hard maybe? I don't know. We got this one. I mean, it feels like a hard candy. And there's peach and grape is what I see. I don't see any other fruit, but that's that.
then we have yogurt jelly. So this is like a little yogurt drink, but it comes in like gummy form.
Yeah, when we were little, we used to drink a lot of those. And then we have this.
Oh God.
Fluffy stuffed baking cotton candy. I don't have no words. I don't. I really don't. There's no words to describe this. And another, this is what we just wanted to try out, is Kimbap. That's what's called, right?
Mhm.
Kimbap.
It's Korean sushi, basically.
Yeah. And this is the pickled radish. So we're going to try that.
Then to drink, we have white peach. What is this? It's a non-carbonated soft drink. And then we have lemon flavored soda.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at the coloring. Oh my god.
Actually, what should we try?
So I think we should start off
With something gross.
I really don't want to try that. Why do we say that for last?
Okay.
Let's do the kimbap.
Okay.
Because I want some. I love sushi. I've always loved sushi. Ah, what the heck? I smell the the sesame oil.
It smells in the car.
It smells good. Okay, so I'm gonna go this one. Let me show you how this looks, guys. Ooh. You can show them. It's so pretty.
Okay, ready?
Really good. It's good. But I think the one from H Mart tastes different from this one.
What do you mean? I never got the one from H Mart.
Oh, it was from, you got it from the same place? Really?
What's this?
It tastes different.
Should we try the drink?
No. I like this. It's really good. The pickled radish gives it a really good taste, like a flavor, because you have different flavors with it. But yeah, what would you rate this out of?
Like a 8.5.
Yeah, me too. All right, that's one done.
Can we
Okay.
try the drinks?
You want to do the drinks?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want to do first?
This one.
We're gonna do the Chalone
yeah,
Young cider.
The lemon flavored soda.
Wouldn't that be Sprite though? Is it good?
This is like What is it? Ramen? What is that called?
Oh wow. It tastes like ramen. If you ever had ramen, it's like, I'll put a picture out, but it's like a carbonated drink, and it's like there's a little glass ball on top you push down into your soda or your juice.
Mhm.
And it's really cool. They have different flavors, but that tastes like the original one.
Yeah.
You want to try this one now? Or do you want to go on with the snacks?
Okay. Just try it.
Alright, so we're going to try the white peach. This is like milk. What if it tastes like a Milky's? If you guys ever had Milky's, they're so good. What if it tastes like a Milky's?
I think it is.
Whoa. I was not expecting that.
Is it good?
It's like, I don't know. Here. It's good, but I wouldn't explain it like Milky's. It doesn't taste like Milky's at all. It tastes like lychee. That's what it tastes like. A little bit like lychee. See, that's kind of weird.
It's not bad.
Yeah, but it's just like, it's kind of strange. So, we didn't even rate this.
That's like 8.5.
I give it a 9. I like it. What's this one?
7. It's not
I
bad.
give it
but
8.
I don't know.
It could be
I'm
better.
keeping this one.
Alright, we're gonna go in with the chips next. Oh, there's a warning sign on the back, girl. What, they look like this. Look at this. What is this?
It smells like seafood though.
It's as big as my eye. Oh my god.
They're like little crabs.
Little crabs, Nina?
Yeah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
I can't even explain the taste. Wait.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? It's not bad. It has like a seafood
It tastes oil.
barbecue.
If you like smoked foods, you'd like that.
Yeah.
It tastes smoked, very
Yeah.
smoked. Like if you had smoked almonds, that's what it tastes like. I don't like it.
Bacon almond.
Yeah, I don't. I'm not a fan of that. Okay. Bacon almond. What made you think of that? Hey, you want to try this one now? The yogurt jelly. And the drink of this, actually, there's different kinds, but they're all good. They taste the same, but they're really good. We used to love them. Like, we used to buy. My aunt used to buy a big tray of them.
Mhm.
We
It's
used
good
to-
frozen too.
We used to love them frozen. That was the biggest part that we loved.
It's like ice cream to us. We would eat it all the time.
Oh. They have 2 different colors.
Oh, it's like a.
It's darker and light. It's so cute.
Oh, it's like a little bottle.
Alright, 1. Oh wait, did we rate that?
That's like a.
The chips.
Yeah.
This is
like
a 1 for me.
It's a 6.5. It's not that bad.
I don't like it. Alright, ready, set, go.
I don't know.
Maybe? It's like, I feel like it's different.
Yeah, it's not like the.
It doesn't taste that much like the drink, but it does.
Yeah.
It tastes like a cola drink, cola gummies,
Mhm.
mixed with that. That's what it tastes like to me. But they're not bad.
This is like a 6.
That's like, yeah, 6.5.
Okay.
Ah,
So we're gonna do this next. There's like different flavors. Should we
Really?
try like different flavors?
yeah. So this,
This one's a strawberry kiwi. Ooh, there's peach. Then we have the grape one. Then lemonade and peach. I'm kind of excited for the peach one. Which one should we try first?
Let's try grape, because I don't like grape at all.
Me either.
Wow, this feels like a now later. That's what it feels like.
I think that's what it really is.
No, it's not shorter than now later.
Where's the opening? Oh.
They come in little grape wrappings. It's so cute.
Is it gum?
Mm-mm.
Can you even have this? Because your braces.
I mean,
I don't know. I think it's like haichu.
if you ever had grape pie too, it tastes like that. Or any grape kind of flavoring, artificial flavor. I'm not a fan of artificial flavors, but if you ever had a grape, something that had an artificial grape flavor, it tastes exactly like that. It's just regular grape. It has a little bit of a sourness too, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of, that makes it kind of better. But
You want to try the strawberry next?
yeah, it's like a haichu. It has more of a feel of a haichu than an hour later. That's what she gave me, guys. Oh, this is cute. It's a little strawberry.
There's
Lemon.
little grape ones too.
First of all, strawberries are not white.
There's white strawberries. That's what it looks like.
Oh, that one's softer.
But I can taste it.
It's like, it's subtle. Oh, yeah. It's very, very artificial. It's not as strong as the grape. This has a very artificial strawberry flavoring. It's not bad, but I would rate the grape, because I don't like grape, a solid 3. It wasn't bad, but
It was like a 6. Like I don't like grape flavors either, but it was better.
strawberry, yeah, 5.
Let's do this one next.
The little characters, we're gonna do the lemon one next, lemonade. But the little characters, I don't know if you can see them, are hilarious. Like the strawberry one, it's kind of ripped, but I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. The grape one is just not there, but you can see it on this one with the glasses, and then the peach is like so cute. Can you show the peach?
That's what it looks like. Please don't mind my nails.
Don't mind, yeah, please don't, because we need to get our nails done. Oh, wow. Here, you can have that now, since you want to give me the one with half of the wrapper on.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, packaging. You ready? Are you ready?
Why is it so hard?
I think it's because it's been cold. Because they feel really cold.
It's not bad. It's really subtle.
Again, it has the artificial lemonade flavor. I thought it would be sour, but it just has a just right amount of sourness to it. Yeah, it is good.
Then next we're gonna do peach. Kind of excited for this one. I like peach things. I like big things.
That's how it looks. Oh, my nail is looking bad. Oh, flipper. I thought it would have been pink.
Ew, why is it yellow?
Looks can be deceiving.
Get ready.
Oh, this one's soft. Oh.
Not bad.
That was really good. I like that one.
Mm-hmm.
I had a little bit of shadow of a like sour flavor too, but it's so good. I don't know how to explain it. I like that. An artificial peach flavor. I mean, all artificial flavorings, but
It's not bad. I get that like a 7.5.
I give that a 9. I like that a lot. Sorry, I need a break. Next, we're going to this one. And this is made by the same company, Crown. And I got grape and peach. I think they're, well, they feel like hard candy, so.
It might be the same thing as like this one, but like hard.
Here, oh. That.
I'm
Whoa.
gonna try the peach.
And I'm gonna try the peach too. This is the packaging. It's like so cute, individual packaging.
It's yellow, so.
This looks like what we just ate.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
Okay, let's see.
Mia, it's what we just ate. You picked up the same thing. I'm gonna let you guys know. Nina picked this up. And she picked this up. And they're the same thing. You made me spend the extra. How much was this one? And we had it. I don't mind though, it tastes good. I'm not eating the grape one.
Okay, you can pop these in your bag.
So you can pop these in your wallets. Look how skinny they are.
Yeah, but it's wrappers. Those get nasty. Not mine if I do.
Alright.
Oh,
You want to wash my mouth out?
so we're gonna. I'm so scared for this one. We're gonna do the bacon cotton candy.
Why is it pink? Why is it pink? On there it look brownish. You poor pig. I want to smell it.
It smells like burnt plastic.
You ever when you're making s'mores, when you melt the marshmallow, it smells like that with a little bit of salt. That's how it looks, guys.
Listen. Here.
Just can I have the little piece?
Okay, ready?
aftertaste is still in my mouth.
Why does that taste like this?
The aftertaste is so strong.
But I looking like I don't know why.
You're gross. Don't you dare.
I'm not eating it again. I can't. Yo, let's have Jalen try it.
We should do it to my mom. Let's go.
Wait.
We're gonna go see if my mom will eat it and my brother and see the reactions.
Do you want to try this cotton candy?
It's new. It's sour. No, it's orange.
Sal, do you want to try this?
You gotta try it.
Try this.
What the fuck
It's
is
cotton candy. Just try it.
What's it say? Ew.
It's bacon.
That's gross.
You know what? It's not bad because in Texas, you know what we had? Honey-covered glazed bacon.
Is my dad here? Oh yeah, Dad.
Try this.
Dad, try this new cotton candy. Here for my channel.
What is that?
What kind of
Wait,
candy?
try it, Jalen. What is that? Try it. Wait. Wait. Okay, do Jalen.
It's like barbecue chicken.
Wait.
Dylan.
What? What? It's bacon flavored.
Oh, wow.
What? You like it? Yeah. Here, have it.
That's horrible. You gonna hurt your stomach with that nastiness.
He's eating it.
What the heck? He likes it.
Oh no. Oh my god. That is gross. Oh my gosh. Well, now we don't have to waste it. Someone's eating it. Well, that's it for this video.
Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, and comment on the video I should do with my cousin. Peace.